How to delete Snapchat data without deleting account. So if you want to delete your Snapchat data without deleting your account, then first you need to open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Now you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and then scroll all the way down and you will have my data option. Tap on my data and it will ask you to log into your Snapchat. So just enter your username, password, and then log into your account. And here you will have all of the datas available. So you just need simply select all of your datas and then you need to go with next, which is on the bottom right, and select the date range, and then again go with submit, confirm your email, and then submit. Once you've submitted, then you will receive the information of your Snapchat or data of your Snapchat, and you can just simply view the information and then you can delete it. Or you may also have the delete option right here, so you can just simply go and delete it. But if you don't find the delete option under your my data, then scroll down and tap on clear cache, which is right here. And once you're done with clear cache, you need to go with clear conversation and clear all of your conversations from here. You need to go with the right side, which has that X option, and then go and clear the conversation. Once you cleared all of your conversation, then all of your message or text data will be deleted. You can also go with clear my AI data or clear search history, clear my astrological birthday, clear recent products and everything. Once you've done, then all of your data will be deleted. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.